Welcome everyone. Question on organic chemistry. The product of the reaction is when this compound reacts with 20% H2SO4 product. Choices are A. This compound, B. This compound, C. This compound, and D. This compound. Answer is A. This compound. Mechanism of this reaction we will see in the next slide. This is our given compound and this is H+. At first, this double bond attacks this H+. So, in the next stage, this carbocation is produced. This bond breaks down in this stage to form a more stable carbocation in the next stage. In this stage, H2O with its lone pair on the oxygen atom attacks the carbocation and one H+ moves out. Therefore, this compound is produced in the final stage. Thank you for watching this video.